Good day, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to find the fourth root of an expression. So this is it. Says find the fourth root of 32, a to the power of 10, b to the power of 19. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to express each of them in terms of a fourth power, okay? So to a power which is divisible by 4. So let's try it. So, for example, look at 32. 32 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, multiplied by 2 is 16, multiplied by 2 is, let me see, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, which is 2 exponent 5 or 2 exponent 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. We just do not write the 1. Similarly, A10 can be written as A8 times A square. A8 can be further broken up into A4 times A4 and times A square. This is a mistake. This should be A square. Because 8 plus 2 is 10. Similarly, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And B19 can be written as B, let's do it, B16 times B3. 16 plus 3 is 19. B16 can be written as, okay, let's leave it as B16 times B cubed. Okay. So finally, the operation is fourth root of 32, A10, B19, which we will write as inside parenthesis. 32 is 2, 4, 2 to the exponent 4 times 2. Remember, 2 to the power of 4 or 2 exponent 4 is 16 times 2 is 32 times A. Let's make it A10 as A8 times A squared. And B19 we will write as B16 times B3. Inside the parenthesis, what is outside the parenthesis? Remember, fourth root is same as exponent of 1/4. Now we will use the property of exponent, which says when the bases are same, exponent gets multiplied. So it will be 2, 4 times 1/4 multiplied by 2 exponent 1/4, because it is 1 times 1/4 is 1/4. Then A8 times 1/4. Then A2 times 1/4. And then B16 times 1/4. And then B3 times 1/4. Now this is 2, 4 over 4, which is 1. 2 1/4. A8 over 4 times A2 over 4. Okay. And B16 times B16 over 4 times B3 over 4. So 2, 4 over 4 is 2, because 4 divided by 4 is 1, multiplied by 2, 1/4, multiplied by A8 over 4 is A square, multiplied by A. For now, we will keep it as 2 over 4, and I will explain why it is so. Times B16 over 4 is B to the power of 4, and B 3/4. Now, please do not leave right away. I will give you some important tip and hint at the end of this program. So, let's create some space. So this becomes, I will separate the numbers 2, okay? Then 2 is a whole number, then there is a a square, and then there is a b fourth over here, b to the power of 4, and then we are left with 2 to the power of 1/4, a to the power of 2 over 4, and b to the power of 3 over 4. So this can be further written as 2a square b to the power of 4 and 1/4. All of these have 1/4 in the denominator, 4 in the denominator. So which is identical to fourth root. Fourth root, 1/4 is nothing but fourth root, 2a square and b cubed. So that is your final answer. Okay. 2a square b to the power of 4 multiplied by fourth root of 2a square b cubed. I stop here today. If you have any question or comment, please do not hesitate to write me a note. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And important hint or tip I wanted to give you is that fourth root is nothing but exponent 1/4. Once you write it like that, then you write the terms inside as some kind of powers of 4. For example, 32 is 2 to the power of 5. So it can be split up as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2. A 10th can be written as A 8 times A square, and B 19 as B 16 times B 3. And then everything is inside the parentheses, outside the exponent is 1/4. So you multiply all the exponents by 1/4 because that is the power to which the expression inside the parenthesis is raised. So it becomes 2 4 over 4, which is 2, 2 1/4, a 8 over 4, which is a square, a 2 over 4, b 16 over 4 is b fourth, and then the last term is b 3/4. So you separate the components with the whole powers, which is 2 a square, b4, and then all the powers of 1/4, which is nothing but fourth root. Fourth root of 2a square b cubed. I stop here today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, share with your friends. And please check out my channel and subscribe to it, Math Science Topia, where I have solved all kinds of math algebra problems just for you. So please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to check me out tomorrow when I'll come back with another algebra problem just for you. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.